So hi, first of all, big thanks for nominating us for the 10th Bangalore Short Film Festival. It is really an honor. We are the makers of Kayalinte Kavalakaran, a documentary from Kerala. It's about N.S. Rajapan, a differently able person who has been serving the environment for the past many years. He has been collecting plastic waste from the Vembanad lake and he disposes in a place. So the main thing is that he is a differently able person. He can't walk, so he uses his small boat to collect this, and he picks the plastic from the lake and disposes it somewhere else. Before coming to the story, I'll just introduce my team. This is Rajesh Rajan. He has been assisting us in camera and sound and lights. This is our editor Vimal V. He has done the editing. This is Binu Thomas, cameraman DOP, and that is Nigil Joseph. He has been doing the helicam and the camera as well. So this is the team, and we have a graphic artist in Trivandrum. He is not here because we are doing this from Cochin. His name is Ajit Garda, and the subtitles were done by Aparna Vishwanathan. She is in Bangalore. So coming to the documentary, we went for a location scouting in Kumarakam, Vembanad. It was a big scene. I mean, it was a big canvas to be shot. So we had an idea of where to shoot, what to shoot, to include more elements into the storytelling as such. The day of the shoot was we had fixed 2 days for the shoot, one for taking the shots and one for talking to N.S. Rajapan. We had a conversation on camera with N.S. Rajapan one day morning, but we were not satisfied with the content. Then we took the shots and then we talked to him again the next day, the same thing, we asked the same thing. So he was more comfortable and he started telling his life. Nikhil and Binu had an idea of what to shoot. So we had a small discussion. I just told them this is what I need, and then you can take whatever you need. They had their own ideas of telling the story. They made some taking into consideration the things I told. They gave some extra things apart from the shots we planned. Because it was difficult to shoot in between, especially helicam shots. It was difficult to shoot between the coconut trees, and as such, you can see that in the opening shot he is crawling to this boat. So on the whole, it was difficult. These guys had to get into the lake, which was not deep that side, and then put the camera there and then take the shots. After the shoot, when we came to the edit table, we need the music. The first thing we thought was music, because we can't use a lot of music because he is the hero of the show. So we used very little music, and most of the thing was he was talking. He was emotionally charged. He was humorous at times. He was singing at times, but he was sad at times. We need everything. Even a sigh of his was used in this documentary. So it was nice. Then we sent to many festivals. I mean, the first festival we sent was 11th Dada Sai Phalke Award Festival. We got special mention for that. It was a very good teamwork. Everybody thought of this documentary as their own product, and finally, end of the day, I think we have a good product for you to watch. So please watch the documentary, and please tell what you feel. And again, we are very happy that we were nominated for your festival. All the best for the 10th Bangalore Shorts Film Festival. Thank you from my team. Thank you.